Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest interface video for Mazda vehicles. It works for any Mazda, even if they come with both system. As long as you have the screen and you have same menu that I'm going to show it to you, you can add this Android unit to any Mazda. So as you can see, that's the factory UI of the menu of Mazda. When you click on nav, it shows compass. So there is no nav in this vehicle. But by holding the music button for long, it switched to the aftermarket mode, same UI look, and as you can see, navigation is right there, and we can use the knob to move left and right. And that's the offline maps. So basically you don't need to use any data, and by clicking on home button it goes back to the main menu. So you can see we have navigation, we have video, we have music. When you go to video, you have two choices. One is from this USB cable that we add to the glove box with the USB storage. So you can download any files like video files or music files and play it through the screen. So by choosing that video, it goes to whatever it's saved on that USB storage. And you can even watch while you drive. So you can scroll up and down and choose the files that you like. You can even go to YouTube. If you connect it to the Wi-Fi, you can go for online videos too. And these are for the songs, so you can play any songs from USB stick as well. And then we have mirror link, so basically you can link your phone to the same screen. We have DVR option, which is optional, and that DVR, basically you need to add DVR to the interface. And the other one is DTV, that we don't have it in Canada, but it works in US and other countries. Apps, when you click on it, it goes to the apps. You can go to Play Store, you can see our offline map iGo, you can use Google Maps, you can go to YouTube, so whatever you want, or you can add any other apps that you like to use it in your car. So it's really handy to have it. Bluetooth music is here. That's another easy connect to mirror link the phone, and that's Google Voice, and Waze is installed on this unit too, so you can get the update for traffic and so on. This is where we do the the path for the offline maps. You can browse on your USB and download any offline maps. That's the factory setting. Upgrades, you can upgrade any firmware update comes out by connecting to the Wi-Fi. You can get the latest updates on the firmware as well. So no need the hassle to get any files and download on the unit. It does it automatically through Wi-Fi. Just remember, the sound comes out from the auxiliary of the car. So basically we give you one auxiliary activator that it has to plug into your auxiliary mini jack, and it has to stay there all the time to be able to have the sound through our aftermarket unit. So make sure that aux activator has to be there all the time to be able to get the sound. We can add backup camera to the same screen. If your car comes with the factory backup camera, still gonna work, so nothing will be changed. You can use the aftermarket backup camera, or you can use a factory backup camera. It doesn't matter. It works with both. So this unit, it's really easy to install. It's all plug and play. As I said, by clicking on music button, the unit activates, and you can go back and forth to factory menu, and you can go back to the aftermarket menu, and basically it gives a new look and a fresh look for inside, and infotainment is there, so it's so convenient to use. Just enjoy.